What is up, Good Vibe Tribe, and welcome back to another episode of The Mirror Table. So guys, thank you very much for the love that you're showing me on that Loewe DIY Obi belt. And thank you guys so much. So you have inspired me to do some more DIY. So I'm thinking of Balenciaga. I really love this Balenciaga shirt dress. I also want to do a DIY on these Balenciaga jeans and this Balenciaga skirt. So Balenciaga is just the king of streetwear. So I am loving this streetwear fashion. Streetwear fashion is probably my favorite because it's pretty much how I dress every day. I do get dressed up for if there's certain events, but on a daily basis, I love streetwear. I love just putting on some jeans, and I don't care if they're ripped or the shirt is ripped. I just like to pile things on and just have that streetwear vibe all the time. It is my absolute favorite. So Balenciaga is really cool, and I'm feeling really inspired by some of their looks. So I want to do the Balenciaga oversized button-down poplin shirt. So I was thinking, I looked at the shirt, I analyzed it, and I thought, this is definitely doable. And I thought I can take men's shirts, striped shirts, and create this look. But I love how they use the stripes. I love, some of them have words in the back, so I'm gonna play around with some graphics. But I wanna do this shirt. I love streetwear. Balenciaga right now is like killing it with streetwear. So I really like this shirt and I really want to style it and show you guys how it can be styled and how you can wear it. So let's get started on some of these looks. I'm going to do the Balenciaga oversized shirt, a button-down shirt dress first. And then I think I'll add two other videos where I'll do the Balenciaga distressed denim skirt. And then they have a pair of distressed denim jeans with camo underneath. So I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do those two, but today we're gonna start with the oversized button-down shirt dress, and then we're gonna see how we're gonna style it. So stay tuned and let's get started. So I just went to the Goodwill. I got a whole bunch of shirts. So I'm gonna start taking these shirts out the bags, and I am going to start disassembling them. So I'm gonna take these apart and look at the different brands. I got Izod, I got Polo, I got different quality cotton striped shirts. So what I'm doing right now is I am taking them apart. So taking off the pockets, taking out the sleeves, taking out the front yoke, the back panel, and just really disassembling everything so that I can come up with a new unique design for my shirt. I didn't film the creative design process. I just got so into it and so excited. I just started designing. So these are the shirts that inspired me, and this is what I came up with. So I doubled the collars. I matched coordinating colors to come up with this double collar look around the neck, and did a little button down, one front and one back. I took the pockets and I just added them to the shirts in color coordinated ways. I cut some shirts in half so that I can add a second layer to create that midi dress look, and it created a really cute layered effect. I added graphics. Look at this one. I already sewed this one and I love it. It says "Don't worry," and I took some t-shirt graphics and added to the back, and it is awesome. This one also has graphics, the double tiered layer. Notice the pockets and the cuffs and the double collar. This one also has double collar and added a little stripe in the center. Now let's see how they look when you put them on and when they're styled.
Panic like you're feeling wavy. Way too early to be hazy. Start a 10 job cause you're fucking crazy. Yeah, you back in the game and you don't feel ashamed. Always want me at your party. Like me next to a Bacardi. Cause you know I'm spinning faster than a Harley. Yeah, you're still in the game but you don't feel ashamed. You just close your eyes when you wish to be free. You look up to the sky and call on me. Let me put color in your sky, take away the gray. Turn the roof to a floor on a Saturday. Up it tall in the night, you do what I say. I'm just a getaway, I'm just your getaway. I'll make you warm if it's chilly, and I'll probably make you say things you wouldn't do normally. I'm like a 9 to 5 job, but you work for me. I'm your getaway, cause you can get away.
That was so much fun. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed all of these looks. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up, and please subscribe, tell a friend. I would love for my video to make it out to the algorithm, so that people can watch the video and I can get more subscribers like you. And I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye.